Today's topic, pharmacy, which relation to the job. In that first one, what is meant by pharmacist? So the person who professionally qualified to prepare and dispensing the medicinal drugs, that is called as a pharmacist. So the role of pharmacist means pharmacist can monitor the patient health, dispense health care or the dispense medication, and to make sure of the drug and interact with the hormonal way. Next is the pharmacist. How to become a pharmacist? So the pharmacist, which has been start from 2 years of the professional study of college or university, being doctor of pharmacy, or the B Pharm, which has been take 4 year to complete. Next is the pharmacy which relation to the job. So the pharmacy which relation to the job should be keep with the following things, that is relation to job. First one, scope of pharmaceutical service. In scope of pharmaceutical service, when premises are registered means any person who has been registered under the requirement should be opened as a pharmacy, and a reasonable comprehensive pharmaceutical service should be provided. And it also involves supply of required medicines, without undue delay. And it also involves willingness to furnish the emergency supply of all times. And in the pharmaceutical service means, so the pharmacy which having the efficient pharmaceutical service, so the efficient pharmaceutical service that provide without delay. So they should be appropriate availability of emergency which has been made with the medicine at all time, that is the pharmaceutical service. And second point is the conduct of pharmacy. So the conduct of pharmacy is the, this is the condition in the pharmacy. So the condition in the pharmacy should preclude to avoid risk or the error of the accidental contamination in the preparation, dispensing and the supply of medicine. And next point is the appearance of the premises, so that will reflect the professional character of the pharmacy. And pharmacy should be clear to the public. Clear to the public means that is open to the public. So the practice of pharmacy which has been carried out in the establishment. And here the, in conducting the pharmacy, we are having the sign is the any sign means any symbol or the notice or the description which has been made on the business or the stationery which has been related to the related should be retained in size, design and the terms. And this is about the conducting pharmacy. And in conducting pharmacy, they should be having the pharmacist should responsible for proper maintenance, and it should be premises should reflect with the professional character of the pharmacy. For example, ESI, so the central government or state government, they will appoint as an ESI which has been sponsored, which has been made by the exhibited by the premises. Third one, handling of the prescription, how the prescription should be handled. When the prescription is nothing but the dispensing of the drug means what are all the drug to be dispensed, and it should be received by the pharmacist. And regarding the what are all the merits and demerits. Merits and demerits means what are all advantage and disadvantage of the therapeutic efficiency. And the pharmacist should not show any expression on his face while giving the medicine. So the pharmacist should not show any expression on his face of the arm or the caution or the patient get excited and they lose their faith on the physician. If any question which has been asked by the prescription which has been answered by the pharmacist should be care and has to be what are all the informations, what are all the information should be given to the patient. And pharmacist should substrate with the ingredients means what are all the contents. For example, if you take for morning, evening and night, that should be explained by the pharmacist to the patient should be clearly mentioned. And it is also pharmaceutical part that will causes the alteration in the therapeutic action of the therapeutic action on the receipt. And in case of error means by misguiding, that should not be done. Misguiding or any drug that should not be done with the incompatibility or overdosage, and prescription should be referred back to the prescriber for the approval of the change to be suggested. Means pharmacist should have to suggest it to the patient. And also here the prescription, so the prescription as a pharmacist should be guided by the instruction of the prescriber, and it should advise the patient to use of medicines, and it should be strictly in accordance with the intents of the physician should be noted on the prescription. And third one, how they will handling of drugs means, so the pharmacist should receive the prescription by without commenting the merits and demerits of the therapeutic efficiency. So the and here too, prescription should be correctly by weighing and measuring of all ingredients. All ingredients should be correct proportion, so that will helps the scale and measures should be avoided. And always use of the drug and medicinal preparation should be the standard quality which has been made. And pharmacist should have the very judicious in dealing of the drug means that is nothing but the sale of drug, either wholesale or retail sale of drug. And the medicinal preparation which has been used for the purpose. And also if any question which has been asked by the regarding the prescription, that should be answered with caution and care with the prescriber. That is the handling of prescription. And fourth one, handling of the drug, how the drug should be handled. So the pharmacist should always dispense correctly, and all ingredients should be weighed and measured in correct proportion, that will helps by the scale and the measures. And it should be all possible care means that should be given to the dispensing of the prescription should be correctly weighed. And always use of the drug and medicines preparation should be the standard quality of the prescription with superior substance, and the standard preparation we have to maintain. And pharmacy should be very judicious in dealing of drugs and the medicinal preparation which has been used for the oppressive purpose. And it is also the visual examination must be avoided. And here the while handling of drug abusive potentially should not be supplied to the anyone. And last one, appreciating of the pharmacist means while in charge of dispensary in charge of dispensary is nothing but the pharmacist. So in the dispensary, drugstore or hospital pharmacy which has been admitted for the practical training, pharmacist should have the practical training of pharmacy, and he should see the training and have to give the full facilities for the work and the completion of the training should be the sufficient technique and skill to be made themselves as a pharmacist. And in the trainee which has been given on the pharmacist, and the certificates should be given to the for after completing the training certificate. and has been received and proved himself worthy of the same.